Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about namespaces. Namespaces are nothing but which is a virtual cluster. So within the same cluster I can have multiple environment. Namespaces are meant for that. I can have dev environment, I can have non-production environment, can be created as namespaces and that can be used during the deployment. Let us go into the detail. In this demo, I'm going to talk about why namespace is required in Kubernetes, how to create namespace, how to create a part in a specific namespace and how to delete. And namespaces can be created by two different types. One is through YAML file and another one is through iterative, through a command line. Let us look into an action. In my previous video, I have created multiple parts. kubectl get parts. So these are all the two parts which is running in my cluster, but in reality there are a lot of other parts which is also running, which can be seen through running this command kubectl get parts - all namespaces. So in reality there are a lot of other parts are running in the same cluster, but only a few parts are visible. So based on the role based access can be controlled which group can see what parts to the specific namespace. So now I'm going to create a couple of namespaces through a YAML file. So I have a YAML file which can help you to create a namespace. Cat. So if you look at this namespace, which is a very simple YAML file, I'm telling that my API version is v1 and kind is namespace. This can be, you can very well see this information by executing this command kubectl API resources grep. Okay, you can see here your kind is namespace, the uppercase with n, and your version is API version is v1, and you can have the short name as ns. So yeah, all these commands I'll put in the description while uploading the video. So let me go and run this YAML file, which will help you to create a namespace called dev. kubectl create -f. Okay, you can see that namespace dev is created. kubectl get namespace. So yeah, you can see that dev is a new namespace got created a few seconds back. Now I need to run a part in that within that dev namespace. So I have a new YAML file which can do that. Let me open the other YAML file. Cat. Yeah, this is a simple YAML file where you can define your namespace within that YAML. So where I am defining that dev, and my name of my pod is going to be a namespace demo, where you can see kind as pod. Let me go and run it. kubectl create -f. Okay, now you see that the new part is got created and under the namespace dev. Let's go and check kubectl get pods -n dev. Yeah, you can see that this is a new pod which I have created inside the virtual cluster name called dev. The dev is your namespace. Now I'm going to show you how to create a namespace using the command line kubectl create namespace uat. Okay, let's make it like a prod. So kubectl create get namespace. You can see that I have created a new namespace called prod. Now I need to deploy a pod within that pod within that new namespace called prod. Let me open. I'm going to modify this particular vi. I'm going to delete this one. So if I go and replace dev to prod, when I run this YAML, automatically this pod will get installed inside the namespace called prod. But I'm going to show you that how I can go and create using the command line. So I'm going to delete this line. kubectl create -f namespace demo and namespace prod. Sorry, I need to give -n. Okay, kubectl get pod -n. Okay, you can see that the new demo namespace demo got created inside the namespace prod. So sorry, the namespace demo is a pod which get created inside the namespace called prod. I hope you understand how the namespace will be created and using a command line and also through the YAML file. Now I'm going to show you how to delete your namespace. kubectl delete -f. I can go and run this namespace creation.yaml. So with this I will be deleting the dev namespace. When you delete whenever you delete a namespace, the pods whichever that is running inside the namespace will also get deleted. Okay, now you can go and see by executing the command kubectl get namespace. Now you don't find the dev namespace which got created earlier. Now I'm going to delete. Now I'm going to delete the prod one. kubectl delete -n. Okay, so I hope you understand how to delete a namespace using command line and then by running the YAML file. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you understand the need for namespace and how to create and delete namespace. Thanks. If you like my video, please subscribe it.